as Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan arrives in Pakistan for an official visit, I find myself reflecting on a defining moment in my artistic journey. My name is Waqas Shaiq, and through my art I strive to promote peace and unity between nations. One of the greatest honors of my career was presenting a grand charcoal portrait to President Erdogan. A piece that was more than just an artwork. It was a symbol of the deep-rooted friendship between Pakistan and Türkiye. Standing beside him as he admired the details of my artwork was a powerful reminder that art transcends borders. That portrait wasn't just about capturing a leader's image, it was about celebrating a historic bond between two nations through art. During this journey, I also had the honor of presenting my artwork to Ali Shaheen, a strong advocate for Pakistan-Türkiye relations. That moment further strengthened my belief that art is a bridge, connecting cultures, history, and emotions beyond words.